Here we're going to expand, then simplify. We've got 6x plus 4 outside of x plus 5. Now, before we go any further, you know this means 4 times x plus 5. Therefore, it's only this 4, not the 6x, only this 4 that is involved with the expanding operation. So this 6x stays exactly as it is. Now we do the 4 times x and then the 4 times 5. So now we expand and we remove the brackets. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 5 gives plus 20. Now, as you can see, we have like terms. We've got a 6x and a 4x. So I can collect them. 6 plus 4 gives 10. We keep the same variable, so 10x plus 20. And that's your final result there. Now we follow the same idea now with number B here. We have 7 minus, then in brackets, 9x minus 2. Now you know the negative outside the bracket means negative 1. So again, only this negative 1 is involved in the expanding operation, not the 7x. So the 7x we just write as it is. Now we go negative 1 times 9x gives negative 9x. So we expand the brackets and remove them. Negative 1 times negative 2 will give plus 2. Now we collect the x terms. So 7x minus 9x gives minus 2x plus 2. Number C here, the same idea. We have 6x minus 5x times, outside the bracket in other words, 2x minus 3. So again, it's only the minus 5x that's involved in this expanding operation. So I just write the 6x as is. I now go negative 5x times 2x. So negative 5 times plus 2 gives negative 10. Multiply the x's there, x squared, so it's minus 10x squared. Now I multiply minus 5x times minus 3. Negative times a negative gives a positive. 5 times 3 gives 15, and we have the x there. So plus 15x. Now, are there any like terms when we look at this? Yes, we have a 6x and a plus 15x. So I'm going to rewrite now the 6x and the 15x together. Now you don't have to do this, but I've done it there. So you can see that we need to collect these like terms. So 6x and 15x gives 21x minus 10x squared. Number D here, again, we have 8x squared plus 3x times, then in brackets 9 minus x. So again, only this 3x is involved in the expanding operation. So I'm going to write now the 8x squared on its own there. Now I expand the brackets, I remove them. So 3x times 9 gives plus 27x. I've done that. Now I do the plus 3x minus x. Plus times a minus gives a minus. X times x. We get 3x squared. X times x, x squared. Now I collect any like terms which are, as you can see, the 8x squared and the minus 3x squared are like terms. They've got the same variable and same power. Now I collect them. 8x squared minus 3x squared gives 5x squared plus 27x.